Dear viewers, hope you are well and you are enjoying very much my lesson. Today I will discuss with you another important lesson. Today's lesson, white collar crime. What is white collar crime? White collar crime. The term white collar crime refers to financially motivated non-violent or non-directly violent crime committed by individuals, business and government professionals. As originally used by Edwin Sutherland 1945, this referred to crimes committed by members of the business community and large corporation, including false advertising, infringement of copyright, unfair competition, tax evasion, fraud and unfair labor practice. This is usually called corporate crime. Sutherland said also white collar crime is a crime committed by persons of respectability and high social status in course of their occupations. The concept has since been broadened to include the large volume of hidden crime committed by white collar employees at work. While such activities are technically illegal, white collar crime is often not regarded by public opinion as crime because it does not necessarily carry a criminal stigma and because they are often crimes against institutions rather than people. White collar crime are not obvious or violent, unlike rape or assault. Their consequences are usually diffuse rather than directly affecting single individuals. The legal response to such crime tends, therefore, to be lenient. Dear viewers, I think you will be benefited from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thanks for watching this video.